Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to Trust Wallet. First of all, just open up the Kraken wallet application in your mobile. Now simply tap on these two arrows at the bottom in Kraken, and then you are going to have to simply tap on withdraw. As you can see, you can withdraw cash or crypto as well. Simply tap on it. Now you have to simply choose the crypto that you want to transfer. Let's say I'm going for Solana, and then simply enter the amount of dollars worth of that cryptocurrency you want to transfer, and then you have to simply tap on address. Now here, as you can see, I already have an address added to my account. Simply tap on add withdrawal addresses, and then you have to make sure that you add the address from Trust Wallet. Then simply tap on review, and basically that's pretty much it. Now you can easily transfer crypto from Kraken to Trust Wallet. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.